All right, guys, we're here. Early morning, 35 degrees. J10. I call it the unicorn. I'm not sure why, but it's been a kind of a landmark in my RC journey. I've had a bunch of foam ones, never flew great. Favorite RC model of all time is the Carf J10 thrust vectored. So if we can get a little taste of that with this thing, I will be extremely happy. Yesterday's crash, we have resurrected this J10. I didn't think it was actually even fixable, but little CA glue. Here is the crash right here. Watch out! Watch out! Still. That was pretty devastating. Rookie mistake. The CG was about, excuse me, the CG was about 1.5 inches rearward of where it probably should have been. I moved it way forward. Right now we are about 1.25 inches. Okay, we're on the front of this rib here. Oh, the very front of that rib. So I'm gonna maiden this for the first time. Luckily, we don't have a lot of wind. I should not have flown it yesterday. I might have been able to at least control it down in that crash without, we had 15 mile/hour sustained, so that's just not a good idea, especially when you have canards moving in the mix of it and you don't even know what it's gonna do. So I lowered the rate on the canard to almost nothing. You can see there's very, very little rate in there. Just enough to kind of do something if it's not working the way that I want it to. Anyway, let's throw this up. I want to just do a quick thrust run up on it to see if everything's working. Yep, it's got I added a little bit of about 2/4 worth of weight with Velcro on the in the nose, because I want to just make sure I have enough front weight here to get it flying at least. And let's see what we got. We got a little bit of up trim, and I am praying right now. Yes. Oh yeah. Perfect CG. Wow. The J10 is alive and flying right now. It's got so much roll authority. It is very hard to control on the roll, and I have 80% rates on the roll. I have huge control surfaces, guys. Look at this thing. Look at the J10. I am so freaking excited. I'm not even going to be using a grip and battery today. I have a J10 flying, and it flies so good. Well, look at the rolls. That is half roll. That is half stick on 80% rates, okay? It's got a little bit nose down. Okay, so actually the uh-oh, what just happened there? I lost a canard. A canard went crazy. Oh my God, one of my canards came unglued. Oh my God, why did that happen? It flew so good. Look at the canard, it came out. Oh, it was oh, you know what? What happened here? This is the same break, the same break that happened last time, right here, okay? Oh, now it's really totaled. So all the places that broke yesterday, I'll show you. All the places that broke yesterday, right here, through here, and here, re-broke on this landing, and I understand why, because it's obviously oh, you know what? I wonder what happened with the yeah, the canard came undone. The canard came undone. I am unsure why, but I need to put more infill on the canard surfaces. I tried to make them as light as possible, and that was obviously a mistake. But did you guys see how good this thing flew? Like, when I tell you, the efficiency on this thing is absolutely mind-blowing because of the well, the design itself is fantastic, and the ducting that I have, well, it's all mangled right now. I don't know if you can see in there, but the ducting is so smooth and it's so perfect that that this thing flies absolutely incredibly. So I am going to print another full, brand new, beautiful J10 and get this thing flying. I need to release a couple videos of me really showing you guys how this thing flies. But when I tell you, I have never had so much control authority on pitch and roll in any aircraft, and I basically had the canards at 20% rates. So this is very exciting. Just with that, okay, let me put it this way. With that 1 minute flight, this is my favorite plane I've ever flown. It's carrying a 2 quarters and 2 pennies worth of weight, velcroed to the very nose. So it's got extra weight in it. The polar moment is off because, you know, obviously when you have more weight in the center of the plane, the better it's going to fly. I'm telling you right now, this plane is going to be the best plane I have ever designed. And I'm going to tell you guys now, I have already designed this section of the plane is going to be, you're going to have two options. You're going to have the regular tail and you're going to have a thrust vectored version. So this is going to be like with the 6S 64 free wing, you can have full thrust vectored. Hopefully it has like 1.5 to 1 power to weight, so you guys can really have fun with that. But I'm going to print another one of these up and get version 2 going. I'm going to beef this system up here because obviously a canard just went. I'm not sure why, but a canard broke off, and for some reason one of them this is the one that I repaired. So that's the one that broke off. So I thought it was repaired. I thought CA glue was going to be enough, but yeah, this is exciting. I'm gonna stop talking right now, and I'm gonna get the gripping up for a quick flight because there's not a lot of wind right now.